Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. Today we learn how to create account for Palo Alto. So open your any browser, then search VUE/Palo Alto. Then click on this first website. Yes, this one. After that, there will be two options: create account or login account. We need to create account. Read this carefully. Pearson VU privacy policy. Click these tick boxes after reading all this. Click all tick boxes. Click tick box. Then agree. Personal information. Create web account. Personal information. Step 1. Title. You must enter your first, giving, and last surname, family name exactly as per government ID. Okay, remember this thing. You need to enter your official name, whichever is available on your government ID. Enter title. Then enter your first name here. Enter your last name. Enter your email ID here. Confirm your email. Contact information. Step 2. Address and telephone. Address type home. Country India. Then enter your company name here. Softech Cloud. Then enter your address here. Hinjawadi, Pune. Phase 1. Okay. Enter your city here. Pune. After that, state Maharashtra. Then enter your pin code here. Then telephone number. Communication preference language. Select your language English. Next. Enter your email ID here. It's third step. Enter your email ID. Then next, create a web account, login information. It's 4 step, last one. Here we need to create username. Enter your username here. Check availability. Yes, it's available. After that, you need to create your password. Password must be strong and contain 12 character, minimum 12 character. Okay, got it. Enter your password. Password cannot contain including your username. Confirm your password. Then scroll down. Some security questions you need to set up. Question 1. Add any question. Question number 1, answer number 1. Then question number 2, answer number 2. Then third, question number 3, answer number 3. then finish. Here the account creation process is complete. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn how to schedule an exam for Palo Alto, you can subscribe our channel. We'll put definitely next video on how to schedule the exam for Palo Alto. Thank you.